idea behind this channel is to actually share the experiences of my life as to how spirituality has changed the perspective of my life. By applying spirituality in practical life, life has become so beautiful. We need to understand that only by reading spiritual books, by attending spiritual discourses, seminars, listening to spiritual talks is actually not going to change our life. It is only when we decide to apply that spiritual knowledge into our practical life, decide to change and make a positive change, that we will start seeing positive results in our life. Our life, I'm not saying will change drastically from one day to another, but whatever issues, whatever problems, whatever life presents to us, we will be viewing it, we'll be facing it from a different angle, an angle which will make our lives better and the lives of all the people around us also better. So this channel is basically for me to just share those experiences of how by making some small changes and applying spiritual practices in my life, I have been able to change so many things in my life. My relationships with my family, my relationship with my colleague, my attitude towards my work, my attitude towards life, everything has changed. It's so important to apply this knowledge that we receive. And it's not that I have a specific guru or I do follow a specific group or no. I listen to everybody, I read everything, but at the end of the day, I just sit in silence and let the knowledge soak. And then whatever my soul, my heart, my intellect feels is right, I just follow that. So this means to say that you don't have to blindly listen to me and believe that whatever I'm saying is true. No. Listen to some different people, listen to me, listen to my experiences, and then just sit in silence and see if anything of it makes sense. Let the knowledge through the universe flow into you and then makes those small changes in life to make your lives better. I'm a family man. I have a wife, I have a son, I have a job that demands a lot out of me. And if I was a person 10 years ago, trust me, my life would be miserable. I would be a frustrated person. I would be shouting at people. I would be basically a wreck. But by applying spiritual knowledge into my life has changed. My relationships have changed. My attitude towards circumstances, situation, work, problems has changed. And this is what I am. A much relaxed, a much happier person. And this is what I would like to share in my different videos that I'll be presenting from time to time. Currently, I'll be doing one video a week, and then whatever questions you have, you can just put it in your comments basically, and let me know what you want to know more about which topic, and I will share with you. Just for a start, I would like to say that nothing in our lives happens without a reason. Everything has a purpose. If God has created anything in this life and everything that you see around it, the human being, nature, creature, ants basically, or whatever you see from minute particle to the magnitude of his creation, everything has a purpose, has a meaning. And it is the way we look at those things will make our lives more better. When we face issues, when we face problems, or when something happens in our life, the first thing we want to do is to blame. We have to stop blaming people. We have to understand that every result, everything that happens in our life is for a purpose, is a meaning, is something that the universe or God is giving us for the action that we have performed in the near past or maybe way past. And that whatever is happening is the result of our own action. Once we stop blaming people and we take it on us that yes, whatever good or bad that is happening in my life is my own doing, we learn to accept it. So important. Acceptance is so important. In the same way, there are many other topics. There are topics about karma, there are topics about relationship, there are topics about when we are good to people and still people are bad to us. What was the reason behind that? How to basically tackle the day-to-day problems of life, the work stress, the other stresses that life presents in our day-to-day life. How do we tackle those? I would be basically giving you all tips, basically sharing my experiences, so that at least with the hope that somebody will benefit from my experiences also and make their lives and the lives of people around them, their loved ones, their colleagues better. Thank you very much for listening to me, and please share your comments of what exactly would you like me to discuss, what you want to hear from me, and I will definitely make an attempt to share it with you. Have a nice day, live in the spiritual knowledge, and remember one thing: for things to be better, we have to think positive. So, think positive for things to be positive. Thank you very much.